Making money online is not for the weak. But in today's episode, we're going to talk about making money online vis-a-vis life in Dubai. And this one is for all people who are living abroad. You need to start making money online. Why? I want to take an example of UAE, the one you call Dubai. Most individuals, if we go to average earners, majority of the people are earning like 2 million. Majority, let's say 2.5 million. Others might be earning even up to 10, up to 7 million. Ugandan money, I'm talking about for my country people, up to 7 million. Okay, let's say they are earning up to $2,000, $1,000, something like that. But the majority is around 2 million, 2.5 million, or say 3,000. So why you need to earn money more than that? When we come, or when people go to United Arab Emirates or other countries, you go with expectations, and they go when they're excited. They want to change what they left back home. But in changing this, you find they have a lot of responsibilities. But can I tell you what? If the average is 3,000 or 2.5, just think about it. You're going to remove accommodation. You're going to remove food. You're going to remove that excitement. You have to look after your people. You have unfinished businesses. Maybe others have dependents like kids. All that, you consider them. At the end, you remain like that. So that's why I came up and I said, you guys, start making money online with your smartphones. In Gulf countries or overseas, you have a chance to sit and think. You're not in comfort zone. It is unlike when you are the way you tend to think beyond. There is no comfort at all. So this is the time for you to start using your smartphone, that internet that you have, the data that you load, to make sure that you make money online. And the good thing with this, if at all you choose a better niche or a nice niche, that is passive income. And when you do passive income, it means you can build another business if you have trustworthy people back home, or you just keep your money until you go back. So it's a must. You have to start making money online. It's a must. It's a command. It's a prayer. It's a push. You need to start making money online. Do you know, I always sit and see what is working, what is not working, but still I have to be in my niche. Even if I bring for you something for jokes, something to light your day up, I still come that we have to make money online, because even that thing I'm bringing for you for jokes is making for me money. Yes. So let's do that.